Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Rivals mods. Unfortunately, directly modding Marvel Rivals on Xbox consoles is not possible. Xbox platforms have strict restrictions that prevent players from accessing or modifying game files, which is essential for installing mods. Furthermore, the game developers do not provide any official mod support or tools for console versions. Attempting to bypass these restrictions could lead to severe penalties, including account suspension. While Xbox modding isn't feasible, PC players have many options. On PC, you gain the flexibility to access and modify game files, which is the foundation for modding. A vibrant community creates numerous mods, often found on popular sites such as Nexus Mods. These modifications can range from enhancing visual elements and boosting game performance to introducing exciting new cosmetic content for your favorite heroes. To install mods on PC, first download your chosen mod files, usually in a pack format from a trusted modding website. Next, navigate to your Marvel Rivals game installation folder. Inside, find the Marvel game folder, then Marvel, Content, and finally Packs. Within the Packs folder, create a new folder and name it exactly ~mods. Lastly, simply drag and drop your downloaded mod files into this ~mods folder. It is crucial to remember that modding Marvel Rivals is an unofficial process and not supported by the developers. While many client-side cosmetic mods are generally tolerated, there's always a potential risk of game instability or unexpected issues. Furthermore, modifying game files could theoretically lead to account penalties, though reports of bans for client-side cosmetic mods have been minimal. Always proceed with caution and at your own discretion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.